In this video, I'll show you how to create an apparel fall winter design in Photoshop. I will show you how to create and how to design some pants, some t-shirts and some jackets. Let's get started. What I'm thinking of doing is creating a patch type of design. Here you can see what I'm inspired by for this kind of collection I want to create. I want to create a sort of North Face type of design, but streetwear at the same time. Let's start by importing the image I will turn into a patch. Then, let's add a circle that will be our outline for the image patch. Now, let's cut the edges to create the circle shape and add some texture around it. But before doing all of this, let's take this 3D image, let's say 3D is just a photo of a mountain, and turn it in a 2D graphic. By removing the sky part so that we can replace it with a pure color, so instead of having the different shades of blue of the sky, we can have just a simple color as a background. And we can add even a threshold effect. Okay, now let's add orange as a back color. After doing so, it's finally time to add the text all around it with a perimeter background that connects with the mountain white color. I'm adding some stars since I've seen a lot of winter jackets with stars and it adds a really nice touch. I'm having problems with these specific vector stars. I'll definitely change them after since I'm trying to make everything symmetrical. I just found this type of star. I think it works really well with the boldness of the text and in general the concept and idea. Now that I finished the patch, I'm thinking of creating even some side logos to add with the patch on the products, all related to stars, of course. The first logo we are creating is quite dynamic, since I'm adding 3 stars going past the word global, and in general it's just a basic, easy logo that will make the final product more complex. For the second logo, I'm adding another type of star that will represent the letter I of mind, that is part of my brand name. Even this logo is quite easy and minimalistic, but it will definitely make an impact if added on the backside of a garment. Now that we finished all the designs, we can start the fun part, aka the part where I'm going to add the designs on some jackets, pants and shirts. Here's the final mock-up, the result of this winter drop. That's pretty much it. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.